Hello everyone, welcome you all on the Knowledge Pivot channel. This is part second of the computer series. In this series, I discuss about the most important topic of the computer section which usually asked in various competitive exams. And at the end of the video, I will discuss about the previous year questions asked related to that topic. In the last video, I discussed about the RAM, which is a primary memory, which is both readable and writable. Now the ROM. ROM is read-only memory. This memory is built into the device during manufacturing itself. So मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के टाइम ही हम इस मेमोरी को उसमें डाला जाता है डिवाइस के अंदर. The data which is stored in this memory is basically the BIOS, the basic input output system. This system helps in booting. जब हम अपना सिस्टम ऑन करते हैं then usually क्या होता है, you see the like windows on the screen, which particular window it is, या फिर the name of the company, ये सब चीज़ें स्टोर होती है BIOS में and it is a part of ROM. ROM is a non-volatile memory and it remains viable even without a power supply, unlike the RAM, which will get volatile, which is a volatile memory and get vanished as soon as the power supply is off. Now the types of ROM. So the ROM is usually of three types: PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. First one is the PROM, programmable read-only memory. Actually, PROM is considered as the real ROM because data once written in it cannot be erased or changed, which is the main feature of the ROM because it is only a readable memory. We cannot write on it. Now second is EPROM, erasable programmable ROM. Actually EPROM में क्या होता है कि the data which was stored can be erased by using the ultraviolet rays which makes the chip blank, and now we can write the new data in it. It allows us to write and rewrite them many times. Now EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. This is the latest ROM. These chips are modified by applying the localized electric fields to erase and rewrite the data. In EPROM, the data was erased by using UV rays, but in EEPROM, the data is erased by using the electric field. And unlike the other ROM, one can write into it without removing it from the hardware. So this is the latest one. The cache memory, it is also a primary memory, and actually it is a static RAM, not a dynamic RAM. And I have already told you about the static and dynamic RAM in the last video. This cache memory actually works between the main memory and the processor. और जो frequently accessible data होता है ना, वो cache memory में जाके store होता है, not in the main memory. For example, जब हम बहुत सारे पेजेस का प्रिंट आउट के लिए कमांड देते हैं और एक एक पेज करके प्रिंट होता है, then all the other commands get stored in the cache memory, not in the main memory. As I already said that it is a static RAM, it is used between the main memory and the processor. The frequently accessible data stored into it, and it is a part of primary memory, and it is one of the fastest memory. It is both an hardware or a software. Cache are used to store temporary files. Now the previous year questions asked on the discussed topic are: dash is a small but very fast memory that is placed between the CPU and the main memory. So it's cache. Which ROM is erased electrically? EEPROM is erased electrically. EPROM is erased by UV rays. What contains BIOS? So SRAM no, dynamic RAM no. Now the ROM, which is a part of primary memory, contains BIOS and it is non-erasable. It is installed during the manufacturing of the electronic gadget itself. Data which we write in RAM gets stored in, so the data which we write in RAM gets stored in hard disk, which is a secondary memory, because in RAM it is a random access memory and it is volatile in nature, so no data is stored into RAM itself. Thank you so much. If you like the content, please like and subscribe my channel.